What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you a simple way to create realistic shadows in your sports graphics. So after you have your player cut out, what you want to do is go to the brush tool and then adjust the hardness of the brush all the way to 0. And then instead of a circle, change the shape to a flat kind of oval. Add a new layer. Under his foot, you want to make it a little bit centered and then just click once, maybe click twice. Add a new layer and then go to the next foot. Adjust the size of the brush to match the foot. Again, a little bit in the middle. And then what you want to do on both of these shadows is you want to add a layer mask and then kind of mask out the outsides a little bit just to make sure it looks a little bit more realistic. So what I like to do after that is add another layer, adjust the size of the flat oval brush, and then just do one right in the middle of where he's at, maybe 2 clicks. Drop the opacity down to maybe like 20-ish. So then you get the 2 hard shadows under the feet and then the wider, softer shadow for his whole body. And then again, add a layer mask and mask out the edges a little bit. As a last detail, add another layer and clip it to your cutout. Then select the brush tool. You can make it a circle for this one. Make sure the hardness is again at 0. Adjust the size of the brush and then just a little bit at the bottom of his feet. Just add a little bit of a brush. Multiply it and then drop the opacity down to like 50. That's how I build shadows out in my sports graphics. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn.